Ministry of Trade in a meeting with Tiongkok entrepreneurs for the opportunity to have a frank and constructive conversation. Let me Rifa, on behalf of the U.S. Department of Commerce, convey my understanding that the tariff policies imposed by the United States in recent years have created real challenges for business, including our Chinese partners. We do not take the concerns you have raised lightly. What is the reason for high tariff in U.S. trade? Tariff increases are not decisions taken lightly, but are part of a strategy to ensure that international trade is fair, mutually beneficial, and supports sustainable economic growth at home. Tariffs are also used to balance the trade balance and as a negotiating tool against fairer trade practice from partner countries. Some general explanations that can be used to explain the reason for imposing higher export tariff in the context of international trade, especially by the United States on products from other countries, such as Tiongkok. And 1. Ensures fair trade. Tariffs are used a tool to address trade practices that are considered unfair, such as massive subsidies from foreign governments. 2. Protect domestic strategic industries. Tariff increases are intended to protect domestic industries that are considered important to national security of the long-term economy. Responding to trade imbalance, tariff can be used in response to large trade deficits between two countries with the aim of encouraging a healthy and balance in exports and imports. 4. Enforcing intellectual property rights. If a country does not properly protect intellectual property rights, fair tariff can be used as pressure to increase law enforcement in this area. And 5. Negotiation tools in trade relations. Tariffs are often used as part of a negotiation strategy to encourage other countries to open market access, reform industrial policies, or increase transparency. For some of reasons above, we can create a more conducive atmosphere for mutually beneficial economic cooperation. The United States remains committed to building strong, trust-based trade relationships. Benefits for Tiongkok entrepreneurs if they comply with tariff. Accessing the U.S. market by complying with U.S. tariff and trade rules, Chinese business can still access the world's largest consumer market, strengthen trading partner trust, and build a global reputation. Compliance also opens up opportunities for strategic partnership and simplification of import products, ultimately supporting stable and mutual beneficial long-term trade relationships. Trading stability builds trust with trading partners and the U.S. government. Complicates demonstrate a commitment to fair rules-based trade. reduce the risk of future trade conflicts, minimize the potential additional sanctions, investigation on retaliation, provides legal and regulatory certainty for business, facilitates long-term export planning, investment, and market development, enhances global reputation and international competitiveness. Companies that comply with the rules are more trusted by international trading partners. Support continue access to U.S. market. Stability paves the way for collaboration, long-term contracts, and cross-border investment opportunities in the long run. Compliance with international trade standards not only open up greater business opportunities, but also helps build economic stability and sustainable trade relations. Slide number 7. Solution to ease tension and encourage cooperation. 1. Establish a bilateral trade delay platform. 2. Introduce compliance-based incentives. 3. Promote sector-specific collaboration. 4. Develop a fast-track dispute resolution mechanism. 5. Mutual commitment to fair competition. 6. Strengthen private sector partnership. This consolidation the solution to ease tension and enhance trade operation is that both parties can hold regular dialogues, provide incentive for companies that comply with the rules, collaborate in strategic sector, resolve disputes quickly and fairly, and strengthen mutually beneficial business partnership with commitment to the principles of fair trade. So, in conclusion, this issue is a reflection of the world impact of tariff version of business world. So they explain that I convey briefly in the strategic approach and international cooperation. Tariffs are not the end of trade relation, but rather an opportunity to strengthen a fairer and more sustainable trade structure. Well, that's all. Thank you for your attention.